So if you've been keeping up with the Diddy trial, there was a woman that took the stand, and she's the first person to really testify about Diddy's SA of her. Diddy assaulted her in numerous ways and on numerous occasions. The court has allowed her to testify under the pseudonym Mia, and that's not her real name. They're trying to protect her identity. And the press, longstanding tradition, like people that are victims of these kinds of crimes, they do not publish their names or images usually, because they want to avoid any kind of embarrassment, protect the privacy of the victim, and prevent any kind of harassment. The testimony that she provided was very, very vivid. She was a personal assistant to Diddy. There were times in public, around his kids, he would ask her to do things, he would force her to do things. She testified that she was terrified of Diddy. She was terrified, number one, of losing her job, which was very, very good, lucrative. She was paid very well, had access. He said that if anything happened, that she would never work in and around these same people or in this industry again, which is something that we've heard already. It's just nobody's testified really to that as of yet. He threatened Mia, saying that he's going to let Cassie know that they've been involved. He was violent toward her, pushing her down, throwing her in a pool, hitting her, that kind of stuff. And she testified that basically she said she was afraid of dying if she came out. She was never planning on testifying, and she did because she was asked, and then she was promised this anonymity, and so she did. And I think she did the right thing, because I think all of this needs to come out, and it's awful that this has happened to her, and I'm glad that they were able to work it out where she could testify anonymously so she can move on with life after telling her story and what's happened to her and begin the healing process. And so we wish her the best and thank her for her testimony.